Daily Dems, doing the work, making noise, and fighting back, day 64. We are on day 3 of Kathy Castor's Repping the Rep. I went back and forth about using this, but I kept coming back to it. Every member of Congress holds a congressional art competition, and Castor is the first to choose a winner. He took this photo of his parents just after the hurricanes last year, and Castor made sure to take the opportunity to connect it to the climate crisis. I've noticed she always does this. She connects everything to the issues that matter to her and her community. I admire that. Debbie Dingell has today's Democratic Daily Download, all about Social Security. There's something about this that feels almost like a testimonial. And she mentions the shadow hearing happening tomorrow about Social Security. You can find the link for that and all these videos in my Substack. So there was an incident at the New Mexico GOP headquarters, and they are blaming Teresa Leger Fernandez and what she said at her town hall. Agitate the opposition to them means destruction. So instead of taking the bait, she just posted this clip from her town hall, where she tells her constituents about passing of the peace and how important community is. The opposite of what they're blaming her for. DNC Vice Chair Malcolm Kenyatta just returned from Germany, where he spoke at the Dems Abroad Germany's annual general meeting. From what I can see, last year was the first time that the DNC invested in Dems Abroad at all. I think this marks the first time they've actually gone there. When Ken said organizing everywhere so that we can win anywhere, he meant it. Jamie Raskin, Gregory Meeks, Lois Frankel, Jonah Goose, and Jeffries wrote an amicus brief signed by 202 of their Dem House colleagues against the dismantling of USAID. This is the second amicus brief. The first paid off just a couple days ago. A judge ruled that the CFPB couldn't be dismantled, so hopefully this has the same outcome. Jeff Merkley posted a video about DT's plan to privatize everything and how it works. Whether it's something you've thought of or not, I'm really glad he's making sure it's on everyone's mind. Cory Booker posted this fantastic video that kind of looks like a campaign ad, breaking down how important this moment is and how we fought back before. And then he announced he was holding the Senate floor until he couldn't physically stand anymore. I think he's now been up there for 4 hours. So this might actually be about that. And finally, Peter Welch posted 5 things DT did this week. It's a really concise video and a great one to send to friends and family that don't understand the importance of being politically active right now. Oh my god, this is so long, I'm so sorry. If you're still here, comment with the German flag emoji, because organizing everywhere now includes Dems Abroad. Our voices are a superpower, but only when we use them.